Hi everybody, welcome to Different Strokes. Today we have ex-NMIMS Mumbai students with us. We have with us Shiladitya Kar and Debopam Ghosh. While Shiladitya is currently associated with Asian Paints Kolkata and is working as an area sales manager, Debopam Ghosh has been working with Edelweiss Tokyo, Life Insurance Mumbai, and is working as an assistant brand manager. Let's get to know more about these young hearts and see what their inspiring story holds for us. Hi, guys. Thank you so much for joining us today. We would love to know more about your professional forte. So, starting with you, Debopam, tell us something about the role that you're working in. What is it like to work as a brand manager, especially in a company like Edelweiss Tokyo Life Insurance? And how is it different from the role that Shiladitya is working in, area sales manager?
So currently I'm working as an assistant marketing manager in the brand team of Edelweiss Tokyo. So basically, considering the work of a brand manager in an FMCD or an FMCG, it's completely different here. So what I am responsible for, I am responsible for driving the brand consideration score as well as the brand awareness score. So Edelweiss Tokyo is one of the fastest growing insurance companies in India right now, and it's a 9-year company. Okay, we just celebrated our 9th year anniversary 3 days back. So mostly a lot of other companies who have big pockets, they mostly focus on marketing campaigns on televisions or radio, but we mostly focus on digital platforms. So we try to ensure that our brand is omnipresent across all the digital platforms. So what we do, we come up with digital films or any topical films, like for example, festival films. Like recently, we launched one Eid film. So during the Durga Puja, we'll be launching one Durga Puja film. So all the festival films and any topical film. Recently, we launched a thank you campaign for the essential workers as well. So this is our strategy to drive the brand awareness and the consideration score. This is our primary focus as a brand manager. And secondly, what I'm responsible for are the product launches. So like recently we launched one product in the income category segment, and our brand ambassador was Sonu Sood. Like why Sonu Sood, why should we associate with Sonu Sood, like how to what should be the pre-launch strategy, the launch strategy, and the sustenance strategy of this product. So I'm responsible for all of this. So it's a great organization to work for. And apart from that, I'm also responsible for online reputation management strategies. So basically, like we have one system, so where we track all the queries and all. So I'm personally responsible for that strategy as well. So yeah, like my role basically involves starting from the campaign ideation to campaign execution. So this is what a brand manager in Edelweiss Tokyo does.
Okay, wow, that's quite a detailed explanation of what a brand manager does. I would also like you to emphasize a little bit on how and what should exactly a B school student or a normal engineering student or a graduate student do to step into the shoes of a brand manager right after graduation or post graduation.
To be honest, you can't step into a brand manager role in an FMCG or an FMCD company directly. So you have to have some sales experience or prior experience to get into that role directly. But yeah, in BFSI company, you can get into that role. For that, you should have an eye for content, and also you should be interested in campaign ideation or any creative strategies per se. So yeah, these two things are necessary, and you should have an eye for getting that consumer insight. That's also very essential part.
Okay, also, what should a student do if an FMCD, FMCG, or another company does not come on campus, and if a person he or she is looking for a job in the shoes of a brand manager, and a company of this sort does not come to campus with this role, how can a person likely get a job in this role?
Devbhupam already mentioned as far as the route is concerned. So obviously, when I take into account as a sector, when it's about FMCG or FMCD, see, a brand manager is basically responsible for a lot of things, but the most important crux of the matter is to make the communication right to the end user, right? That can be a mix of anything, any strategy that you want to have. So brand is like a mission, right? This is what you want to do. This is where you want to see the brand, be like or achieve a certain feats or whatever that the intent of the companies. But that should be possible only when the person has the knowledge of the on-ground realities. So when Devpam rightly mentioned BFSI is not a on-ground learning that needs to happen. So typically in an FMCG or FMCD setup, the ideal path should be you do a area sales manager or a sales manager stint for 1 to 2 years after you pass out from your respective B schools, whichever B school you join. You make your hands dirty. You learn the traits of the trade, how it functions, how the distributor model, how is the end user, what is the purchase behavior like. You understand the trade, you understand the purchase journey, and that is where you come and step into the role of the brand manager to get the strategies in right, to help your brand achieve the success or achieve the objective that your company wants to.
I'm sure it's going to help the budding engineers and B-schoolers both to get a fair idea of what it takes to become a brand manager. Now, one last question, Dibupam, on these lines. What advice would you like to give the budding marketers, and what should they do, especially in these testing times? What should they be looking at right now?
Honestly speaking, I'm not an expert per se in this field. So it has been only a year I've been working. But yeah, what I used to do during my 2 years of B school life, I would like to share that. So I would like all the budding marketeers to keep themselves updated through various marketing articles, marketing blogs. So I suggested a lot of people to install Brand Equity. So Brand Equity is an app where you get to know all the recent campaigns, marketing campaigns, which a lot of companies have executed. So you should go through all of them. And apart from that, I think you should have an eye for content. You should involve in a lot of problem solving, lot of case study solving. I think all the B schools more or less they have a case study basis approach where you will be getting an opportunity to solve those case studies in the classes. So I think you should take part actively in those all those things. But I think that's enough. Like I think what marketing is basically how you can tell a story. So if someone knows how to tell a story, I think that's done.
I really like the last line where you mentioned that marketing is all about telling the story. And I hope that budding marketers will know how to tell the story of themselves and of the field that they are going to step in.